BotSpot.trade by Lumiwealth.trade. When you come to this website, you'll see a couple of things. First of all, on here, we have a bunch of our trading algorithms that have been running for some period of time. You can actually go into them, see how they've been performing, see how they've been doing. But we've had some really strong performances here. So for example, algorithms, diversified leverage, I'll follow our algorithms. Here's how this one's been doing. In green is the trading algorithm itself, and gray is the S&P 500. You can see we're beating the S&P by a nice margin here, right? If you had put your money, in this case, this is real money that I have here in this account. I put in 3,500 bucks, $3,519 in specific into this account. That account has now grown to be worth 5,300. So I've made about $2,000 almost on this account. Quite nice. If I'd put my money to the stock market, I would have only made 4,800. We have a bunch of stuff in here. There's also our Condor, our Iron Condor trader. Here's one, how it's been doing. Very nice and stable returns. If you go into this BotSpot website, BotSpot.trade, go to menu, go to AI Bot Builder. What this does is it allows you to build your own trading algorithms using AI. But back in the day, this was very difficult to do. You'd have to hire a software developer. They'd have to write software code for you. We used to charge literally thousands of dollars to build these things. Literally, I've had some clients I've charged $20,000 to build a bot. The typical is more around $3,000 or $4,000 to build a bot. It's expensive. It's difficult to build a bot. If you're not a programmer, back in the day, it would be quite difficult. Now, with our brand new tool, we could take this thing that used to cost thousands of dollars and a lot of work to build. Now it's available to you using AI. For example, you can say, I want a bot that trades the SPY using RSI. If RSI is less than 30, then buy. If RSI is greater than 70, then sell. I can click on that and I can click generate strategy and it will create it for me. This one here, I want a bot that trades SPY using RSI. If RSI is less than 30, then buy. If RSI is greater than 70, then sell. I'm going to hit generate strategy. Now we wait. It takes something like a minute to generate, which is crazy because if you had to build something like this, even 6 months ago, it would have taken you literally days to build something like this. Now you can build this thing literally within seconds. Here is an RSI swing bot strategy, right? That's what it created, okay? It gives you all the code. It generated all this code using AI. This is Python code. You could even read through it. It says a strategy description. This strategy trades SPY based on the relative strength index, RSI. If the RSI is above 30, or sorry, below 30, it buys SPY. If RSI is above 70, it sells SPY. And then it goes down here, shows you all the code, the symbol it picked, SPY, sleep time, it runs daily, right? It keeps the last RSI. It gets historical prices for this symbol over the past 15 days. It then calculates the RSI. Then it gets the latest RSI value. Then it'll get whether you have a position or not. And then depending on that, if RSI is less than 30, it will trade, submit an order for you. Or if it's above 70, it will trade and sell that order for you. All this is code written by AI. Literally, this would have taken you an entire day to do before if you were a good coder. Now, this literally took 60 seconds to generate, okay? You can now take this code and actually run it. We have it available for free because it's brand new right now. This will be only available to paying customers starting next week. So if you guys want to play around with it, this is the opportunity to do that. You have a little bit of a window because we want to get some feedback on it, but it's available right now for free if you guys want to play around with it. This will soon be locked down and only available to paying customers very soon.